we want to talk about the enterprise mobile business is one area in which mobile business applications are most frequently utilized for effective management of the wide breed activities of the enterprise. Mobile terminals are used as a channel through which enterprise employee can access information and communicate with the internal and external content, regardless of the work environment or location. Mobile business application used within the organization are grouped into three categories: mobile enterprise resources planning, and also mobile employee support, and the last one, intelligent work support. Here we have the concept. As I said, it's effectively managing the widespread activity of the enterprise. Here, some activity maximize the application of the company's human, finance, and material resources. A mobile ERP accessing enterprise-wide system through their mobile device, also checking order, logistic condition, and other records.
Right. So these are the concept mobile, that how an organization mobile business are being used over there. So ERP is one of that.
Other one is the mobile worker support. The mobile worker such as sales people, tour guide, workers at logistic centers and customer service centers, and other mobile techniques. Here also access internal based workflow application, also receiving up to date task related details information. Here we have some major work areas. We have a lot of areas like logistic area such as food, oil, a newspaper, and freight, and also vehicle transportation. And we have in a public service such as gas, electricity, and water supply. And also here in area office equipment such as computers, office suppliers, and business equipment. Also in regarding of the healthcare, such as visiting nurses, doctors, and other community service. Also the last one is society, such as patrolling and alarm systems.
Healthcare nowadays in the pandemic, it was very useful, the mobile applications for to connecting with the doctors and with the emergency, and also in security is also very important. The mobile businesses or mobile apps where they can convey messages instantly to each other, and they can share the location of the crime scene as well.
Regarding of the smart work support, we will talk about intelligent office. It's improving the productivity and quality inherent to office operation, searching a specific employee's personal information, sales record, and other information. Wearable device, we have cameras attaching to safety helmet, transmitting picture and videos. Also screens attaching to safety helmet in front of workers' eyes. Also we have a keyboard that can be attached to a wrist, and the final flat touch panel displays attaching to the arm.